You know, from the artists that make a name for themselves in the streets, we have to find them the intense way. What I go and see money?
Today and Sanjay, intense, live.
That I go on. First of all, see money, you don't know, you're new to a lot of people, so introduce yourself the real way. Give me 3 words to describe your style, your sound.
Alright, see money sound now. First, mother say international, you know. Secondly, mother say hardcore. Thirdly, mother say see money music, direct.
Cameraman, plant a money tree, watching money grow silent.
What is it about your style that makes it hardcore but yet still international?
Alright, do not bother me. If you make money every day, I'm bother it. Never know you when me know of it. Hey, listen, me know of it. Sanjay, me say Gina, them ready for par with me like me name is a coke. Me no linger around and tie them with no piece of rope burner them. Them me go take a visit to Lisa home. Family little them say anything you reap your soul.
Tell a little bit more about you. Which part you forward from, which part you represent?
St. James Mobile, you know, from a community named Mount Salem.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up all Mount Salem, Mole Mobile, you know.
How the support I go from the Mobile side?
So Mobile side right now, support I go on good enough. But a bit since my drop the video, you know, it just go on different level, yeah, everywhere.
So bad a bit of the song where you currently have the money now?
Yeah.
Make money every day, I'm a bad bit. Never know you when me know of it.
What are some of the other songs that you have out right now?
Girl, you give me the best time.
Who is maybe one of your biggest inspirations as a Mobile artist, you'd say?
Mother say a Reggae king.
Talk to me about some of your other like dancehall influences then otherwise, even in general as a youth when you grow and you listen to music and some people kind of inspire and motivate you.
Yeah man, definitely Vibes Cartel, Popcorn, you know, Bounty Killer, all I greats them man, you know.
Yeah.
All I greats them, hardcore dancehall artists, fought before me, legend, Shabba Ranks. I know Shabba Ranks are hardcore dancehall
artist. What do you mean?
We go international, exactly,
yeah.
yes. Oh, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up Shabba Ranks and all I greats them man.
If you did have one dream collaboration right now, who would it be?
I would have been for Vibes Cartel right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you just say make you different from all of the other young artists right now?
See money is just being himself, you know. So in the music what I see is what it is. Art. You know, so I'm not try to be nobody else or try imitate or copy. You know, I just see money show how see money life or everyday life, my life in my music.
Lastly now, see money, I want you to tell me what most makes see money intense.
Just a bad bit, you know. If you make money every day, I'm a bad bit. Never know you when me know of it. Hey, listen, me know of it. Hey, Sanjay, you know, so that makes see money intense, man.
That's a good one. The bad habit, they sound like a good habit. Go check it out. See money, and that's a good one. Ciao.